be on the roof.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and I'm with this guy.
Hello.
I'm with this guy. And he killed me. So basically in this video we're planning tornado breaches and we're doing a role play. Bro, stop.
Bro, headshot.
I'm
I got a
introducing
headshot.
Bro, I'm introducing to the video. Okay. So basically me and Soviet Wolfie are going to be doing a role play, like we're both storm chasers in Big City.
Oh my god, I fell.
And
Ah!
and each tornado gets bigger and bigger. Okay, let's do is the 0 one, whatever the one's called. Okay, come to spawn area now. Okay, get in the car. We're gonna try to get somewhere safe.
And you pretend and then you find me over in that big field area.
Yeah. How do you get holstered? Do you know what that even does? Those stuff you just threw? Can you hear me or not?
Yes, I can hear you.
But do you know what those things do?
What? Bug ball?
Yeah, bug bait. Yeah, when you throw them, antlions become your slave.
Oh god. Oh.
Get it, my slave. Okay, let's get to the NATO before it comes to us.
How'd you defeat it so quick?
I've been playing so much Half-Life 2. Even my viewers know that.
Eh. Bro,
What?
you missed. Bro,
What?
you missed.
Oh my gosh, the tornado is so big. Now what's going away from us? We're too late. Okay, get back to the spawn area. We're gonna redo that one again. Come to the spawn area!
Rocket inbound. Rocket inbound.
Come to the spawn area!
I'm
Bro,
in the spawn area. Oh god, it's picking me up. Oh god.
run. Run.
Run.
Yo, look at that NATO. Look at that tornado, bro. So basically, we're just gonna walk up to it and then see what I can do. Now, this tornado isn't as big as any tornadoes you guys probably seen. But apparently, I'm gonna go into a pod and try to kill myself. Yay. Except the tornado's not even coming where I want it to go. The tornado wants to go where it wants to go. And this tornado can barely even float you. Oh, what the heck? I didn't even spawn it there.
Oh my god, I'm flying. I'm flying.
I'm trying to get to it.
Help me. Bro, it's a fucking tube.
I know.
Oh god. Oh. Oh fuck.
Bro. This
Oh my god.
tornado. This tornado, bro. This tornado was just huge. And now I'm getting... I went through it. I went through it. I swear on my life. I went through it and it didn't even pick me up once. going away now. Bro. Okay, come to the spawn area. Come to the spawn area. Can you come to the spawn area?
I am.
To bring a revolution. E1 tornado. Here we go, bro. Why? Oh my goodness.
Wait, I want to see if it will pick it up. Why
Oh.
is it coming after me?
Oh man. I'm dying. Bro. Bro. This tornado thinks he can get away from me. No, I'm gonna study you, bro. You're never gonna get away from me. See? I'm going right in front of me. You're not even picking me up. Oh, now you are. Okay. I'm trying to get to the tornado, but the tornado doesn't want to get to us this time. Bro. What tornado is this? I'm gonna take a picture of this real quick. Dude! Yo, this tornado could float me up to the tallest building. Dang, bro. Bro, this tornado just wants... I'm just gonna follow this tornado if it will let me. Yo! You can follow the tornado. You can follow this one. If you just go to the right part, you can keep following it. I'm literally at the top of the tornado right now, bro. Oh, now the tornado's going away.
Oh, I'm being pulled.
I'm being pulled too.
Oh god. I'm
It went
at
away.
7 HP.
It
I'm at
went away.
7 HP.
7 HP, don't worry, I'll give you a med kit. Hang on.
Damn, I missed. Yo, one of my friends is playing something else.
I will find it.
Headshot.
Okay,
Headshot.
okay. So the E1 tornado, it was easy to follow in the air, but in E1, when you go through it, it doesn't even like
Pick you up.
pick you up. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't pick you up in EF0, but EF1 tornado, you can follow it. Let's see E3, EF3. Okay, run away before it starts spawning. Okay, now
I already ran.
Oh, did you see that? It was like I was driving up the wall. And now I'm at 30 HP.
I'm shooting balls into it. I'm shooting balls into it.
Oh my gosh, now my car's not working very well. Yo, this one is huge. Okay, I'm starting to study how to like make how the tornado works.
Okay, I'm at the top of the skyscraper and seeing how big it is. And there's a lot of area to it. It's almost the size of the map. It's almost the size of the city.
Okay, so like when you're into it, it's pretty big. But once like you're in it, like drags you all the way up to the sky. But instead, it looks like it's following you up to the sky. So this one looks like it's an actual follower. Not a follower on Twitter. Not a follower on Twitter. Okay, we're done with this tornado. Now let's do EF4. EF4. Here we go. Spawn in the Jeep! Bro! Oh my gosh.
I'm even getting pulled up here.
I already found something. I already found something interesting. Literally, like once it starts to like get in, when it's not even touching the ground, it can still put you up all the way to the
Oh my
sky.
god! Help!
Bro, I need help.
Ow. 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 I also landed on a wall. I'm a random civilian down on the ground seeing the tornado in person.
I know, and when you're like in a tornado, the cloud. Okay, I already found something else interesting. The cloud literally goes where the tornado is, so literally, it's also so
Why not
foggy.
do...
I cannot see a single thing except for the ground.
Wait, we can place a storm shelter?
Yeah, yes we can. You didn't know
Let's
that?
make a... Let's build a storm shelter. Yeah, we can do it.
Okay, yeah.
In buildings. It's in buildings.
Bro, this one is so
House
big.
2, storm shelter.
Okay, let's respawn this one. Let's respawn this one, but come to the spawn area for a minute. Okay, now that we're, oh my gosh, now that we're in the spawn area,
Put,
I'm gonna,
put down the spawn... Put down the storm... yeah, storm shelter.
static house or some, wait, hang on. No, this one.
Yes.
Go in it. You can go in. You can go in. Okay, should I spawn the tornado now?
Okay, spawn it now. On top of it. I'm just in the corner.
Is the tornado gonna lift the house up?
It's like pulling me. Oh my god, it's actually pulling.
Oh no!
Gotta get
I
back
got
over.
out! I got out!
Oh god.
Oh my gosh! It's act. Bro, I thought it was lifting it up. You literal jerk, dude. Oh my god. No way! Bro, you should have saw that. When I was in the tornado, it
So
pushed me
what? I
into.
can't hear you, but like... Oh god! Help!
This one pushes you so far. Look at this one.
Wait,
This one is a literal
did you
sucker.
spawn one up here?
Okay. Let's spawn in EF5.
Did you spawn one in the fucking skybox?
No. EF5.
No!
And
We're
now,
gonna pretend there's like a tornado like that.
go into the
Here.
pod. Go into the pod. Bro, no! No, okay, that's too late. Okay. I'm gonna... Okay. Come over here. Come over here with me. Okay. I got something. So, I crafted this with my cousin once. Wait, don't go in it. Don't go... Okay, fine. Fine, you can go in it. But, like, do not drive in it. I'm gonna spawn something on top of it. Stop! I'm trying to do something. Okay. I'm gonna spawn in a chair.
Oh yeah! And you just weld it to it.
Yeah, we need to stick it on to it somehow. Okay, I'm gonna be sitting up there. You're gonna be sitting in the car driving it.
You gotta weld it. You know how to weld?
No, I don't. You can do it. Okay. Go ahead. Yeah, let's just put it like right here or something like that. Bruh, bruh. Wait, no, I got an idea. I'm gonna spawn it like right next to it. Oh my gosh, dude, that's so good.
No, spawn it on the... Put it on the front of the car. Put it on the front of the car. Yes!
Okay, doing the weld. Bro, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Okay, you can get in the car now. You can get in the car now.
Hold on, I'm doing something.
Okay, spawning in the camera right there. Wait,
Camera view.
okay. Hang on, before... Can you drive in it? What are you doing? What are you
You gotta
doing?
unfreeze it.
What?
Unfreeze it. Get out of the car. Get out of the chair and go to your fizz menu and press R. Fizz. Fizz gun. Get out your fizz gun and press R.
I pressed R.
And what is happening?
Hang on. Okay, drive the car now. Let's drive it.
It won't go anywhere now.
Okay, let me try. Let me try. Yeah, what is going on? Okay, I'm gonna get off now. Let's retry that. Wait a
Oh
minute. Let's just put it like next to it.
my god. Oh my god. I just went out of the camera. Oh my god. Look, I'm right in front. I'm right in front of the camera. Look, I'm right in front of the camera. Is the camera? Look. Boys, I got the camera. Yo, yo, I got the camera. Yo, I
Nice.
got the camera.
Nice.
What's up, man? What's up? I can see you on the camera, dude.
Okay. Bro, no! Okay, let's
Wee.
switch here. Okay, get into the car right there. Get into the car. Get into the car! Please.
I'm still on the camera. The fuck?
Just go into the camera, please. Like, go into the car. Go into the car. Bro! Don't. What the heck? That makes no sense. Yeah, every time I unspawn the chair, it doesn't do anything. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. What the heck? Okay.
Wait.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Oh, you. Oh my
Okay.
god.
I don't know if this is gonna work out. Wait, hang on. Car seat. We're gonna wait. Maybe we could just add another car seat. Wait. Should we do it with the bow? Hang on. It makes no sense. How are we supposed to do this?
Yo, boys. I'm looking at your butthole right now.
What? Oh my god.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. I see your butt.
Stop.
I didn't even do anything.
Okay, now drive in the car. Drive in the car. Oh my god, dude. Wait, is this even possible to sit in? Nope. No, stop. Stop. Actually, unspawn it. Unspawn it.
Unspawn what?
Spawn the tornado you just spawned in.
I
I
didn't
know
spawn
you
anything.
spawned in a tornado.
No, I did not. I swear on my mama I did.
We're on your what?
My mother. I did not spawn a tornado. Can you spawn in tornadoes? I can't. Or tsunamis. Or like that. Anything like that. So keep on pressing undo.
Hang on. Stop. Bro, what the heck? Bro, stop. Bro, I got it perfectly there.
I didn't even spawn anything.
Bro. Okay, just drive into it. Just drive. Drive. Oh my god.
Bro, I'm
Bro,
eating.
you're eating. This is the worst
Yes.
time to start eating. All I need you all I need you to do was just get onto the car and just drive. But why'd you do that? It was perfect. Oh my god. I'm literally gonna quit on you.
Bro, you didn't weld it. I know how to weld.
I wasn't welding it. I was like using
But
the elastic tool. It was working perfect. All I needed to do was just test if it would work.
not use the rope instead. Do you even have the rope in here?
Yeah, I do. Wait a minute. If I can use the rope. This is only a chair, so.
What about that?
Oh my god.
Wait a minute, I got an idea. Put the car, like, away over here. I'm gonna put the rope on it, then you're gonna go flying.
Okay. Go ahead and drive it. Oh my. Oh, it actually works.
Oh my god, where'd you go?
I'm behind you.
I know, I see. Oh my god!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Okay.
god, it's a cross.
Okay. Bro, why'd you do that?
I didn't do anything.
Freaking liar. Hang on, I got an idea.
I'm putting in details. I'm putting in details.
Okay, put the rope, put the chair with the ropes. Bro, why did you do that? It was perfectly where it was. Okay, I
I
told you.
know.
Bro, get out, get out.
Not. In,
Okay, connect the rope with the chair to the car. Oh my gosh, I didn't mean to press that. Okay, did you connect the chair to the rope to the car? This could be perfect. Bro, this could be perfect. Bro. Yeah, that won't work out.
bro, I had some detail on the car. I'm gonna
Let's
go
just
back
use
to
it in a
eating.
different way.
I'm gonna go back to eating.
What?
I'm eating.
Wait a minute. Wait, I can use the motor on this.
Huh?
Watch this.
Wanna know something cool? You can put guns on the car.
I know you can. I'm not stupid. Bro, do you know how long I've been playing GMOD? I've been playing GMOD for like 3 years.
A month. What the?
Okay. Something makes it easy to connect. Wait,
Oh god.
dude, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Come on, this has to work. Okay, I got an idea.
I think that F5 tornado's over.
Okay, wait, hang on, don't do anything.
Wheel.
Okay, I'll sit up here. Now you try driving it. Bro, what are you doing?
Hold on, I'm adding more wheels.
More wheels? Yeah, it has something to do with the rope or the chair because the chair would have been moving too. Okay, we gotta figure this out.
Oh god!
What? What?
I went flying. It's because you forgot to unfreeze it.
Living on the inside, roaring like a lion. Hang on. Wait, we should use the
I got this. I know how to do this.
Okay, go ahead.
Rope. Bring that there. Please, please. Right, I'm get in.
Go ahead. Yo, it works! What can you see? Let's add.
I can press control to see in third person.
Wait, hang on. Let's add more ropes to it. Let's just add a little more ropes to it. Let's add a little more ropes.
No, let me do it. Let me do it. I was gonna say let me do it, but okay. We can both do it. Is that enough
Okay,
ropes?
I think so. Now you try. Yeah, it works perfect. But hey, wait here. I'll be here in a
I'm gonna
minute.
crash to see if it
No, no, no.
actually works.
Yeah, it
Okay,
works. Okay, okay, get up. Wait, stop for a minute. Stop. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna spawn on the E5, whatever, tornado.
E3, E3.
E E5, dude. We haven't done E5 yet. Bro,
Oh, ah,
why? Why didn't you wait for me?
no! I tried to stop it with the brakes.
Bro, it was already stopped.
Ow.
You literally pushed it again. We have to redo all that again.
Now I'm all the way over at the sewers.
Come back to the spawn area. Jeez, it was just a good time, bro.
You know why there's so many ropes in the sewers?
Nope. I said no.
Come take a look. I'm just see where you see a purple light.
Okay, try driving it now. Come back to the spawn area.
Where are? Then I'm gonna take you toward towards the thing.
Okay, go on. Oh wait, hang on. I got an idea. Bro, stop.
That's because you
Now
got
go.
to.
Now go. Oh my gosh. Now
Bro, it's
go.
connected to the ground. That's why it wouldn't move. It's connected to the ground.
I'm sorry.
Now connect it to the car. One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. Da-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na.
Why is the tornado still here?
I don't know.
Okay. Now go.
You keep
Okay.
forgetting to unfreeze it. Hold on. Keep forgetting to unfreeze it. I'll get in.
Okay.
Oh god, you're shaky.
Okay, whatever. Just I'm gonna drive in my own car. You can drive in your own car. Okay. Guys, I think we're gonna end this video now. Yeah. Done now. Goodbye.